Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I am with 10 Italian phrases you must know in your daily routine. If you know these Italian phrases, you can use them in your daily routine to tell someone how you're feeling, what you need. Okay? So don't skip the video. Watch this video till end if you want to learn new Italian phrases for your daily routine. First one is cosa ti preoccupa? What's on your mind? Cosa? What's ti preoccupa on your mind? Preoccupa mind. Ti on your cosa? What's? Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful videos like this. Let's move on to our next phrase. Dimmi di più. Dimmi di più. Tell me more about that. Dimmi is tell me. Dimmi. You can simply say dimmi, tell me. Di più, more about that. Più means more. Di, more about that. Dimmi di più. Tell me more about that. If you want to practice it, then pause the video and practice it for 2 times. Let's move on to our next phrase. Capisco. This is the simplest phrase you can remember today. So remember this and use it in your everyday routine. Capisco. I understand. Capisco. I understand. When someone is telling you something and you understand that thing, you can say capisco. Focus on the pronunciation. Capisco. I understand. Let's move on to our next phrase. Cosa ne pensi? Cosa ne pensi? What do you think? What? Cosa ne do you pensi? Think. Cosa ne pensi? What do you think? This is a question you can ask someone. What do you think? Cosa ne pensi? Please practice them 1 or 2 times with me. Cosa ne pensi? Let's move on to our next. This one is the simplest also. Ti ascolto. Ascoltare. Ti ascolto. Ascolto derived from ascoltare. Ti ascolto. I hear you. Ti ascoltare. Next one is nice to meet you. If you want to be kind to someone, you can say nice to meet you. Piacere di conoscerti. Piacere di conoscerti. Practice that with me. Piacere di conoscerti. Practice it one more time. Piacere di conoscerti. Nice to meet you. Next one is what time it is. Che ore sono? Che ore sono is the most important phrase you need to know or you need to remember today. Che ore sono? What time is it? You can ask someone, what time is it? In Italian, che ore sono? Che, what time, ore is it? Sono. Che ore sono? Let's move on to our next phrase. I'm hungry. Ho fame. Ho fame. I'm hungry. You can tell your mom, your wife, or you can tell your sister. You can tell your husband. Oh, fame. I'm hungry. Cook something for me. I'm hungry. Oh, fame. Oh, fame. I am oh hungry. Fame. Next one is I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Oh, sette. Oh, sette. I'm thirsty. I am oh thirsty sette. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to help all of you to learn Italian. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.